Ripple. Hello, everybody. People have been asking me in different groups about Ripple. Decided to make a video over it. Ripple XRP, a digital asset built for global payments. This is their official page. This is the Ripple's page. XRP offers financial institutions the fastest, lowest cost options for sourcing liquidity in a cross-border payments. How is XRP used? Faster, lower cost, and more scalable than any other digital asset, XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technologies across the payment space. RippleNet customers can use XRP for sourcing liquidity in cross-border transactions instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlements, lower exchange fees, and more efficient use of working capital. This same technology is also leveraged in use cases for micropayments, e-commerce, exchange, and peer-to-peer services. XRP and the XRP ledger are open source technologies that anyone can build on. To get started, learn more at xrp.org. XRP currently is the third highest market cap of all cryptocurrency, so this is not a small coin. Fast payment move across XRP ledger settle in 4 seconds. This is a little comparison right here. XRP 3 seconds. Ether is 2 minutes. Bitcoin Core is an hour plus. This is what they're saying. Traditional systems is 3 to 5 days. Again, this right here is awesome. This link will be in the description below. Like, subscribe. Scalability. XRP consistently handles 1,500 transactions per second, 24/7, and can scale to handle the same throughput as Visa. That's sourced from 60,000 plus transactions per second as of July 15, 2009. They do a little scaling comparison, the transactions with pyramids. So you have XRP with 1,500 transactions per second. That's TPS. Ether has 15 transactions per second. And Bitcoin Core BTC has 3 to 6 transactions per second. Distributed. Open source technology built on the principles of blockchain with growing set of validators. I guess these are some of the validators right here. Stable. XRP 7-year track record on stable technology and governance make it ready for institutions and enterprise use. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments below about XRP. Do you like it? This thing was established in 2012. And here are a couple other details right here. You can check them out. XRP price and volume. Okay, right now XRP price today is trading at 28 cents. And it is $7.1 billion USD. That's how much the market cap is. Guys, tell me what you think. Like, subscribe. Talk to you later.